Imagine a world where the vibrant chorus of nature begins to fade. The once lively symphony of chirping birds, rustling leaves, and flowing streams slowly diminishes, leaving an eerie silence in its wake. Where the thunderous roar of a tiger echoes through empty forests, the majestic predator, once a symbol of strength and wilderness, now roams a desolate landscape, its powerful call a haunting reminder of what we stand to lose. Where the intricate dance of a million butterflies is reduced to a fragile flutter. These delicate creatures, whose vibrant colors once painted the skies, now struggle to survive in a world that is rapidly changing. This is the reality we face today. A world where countless species are pushed to the brink of extinction, their habitats destroyed, and their futures uncertain. A staggering 73% decline in wildlife populations in just 50 years paints a stark and sobering picture. This dramatic decrease is not just a statistic, it represents millions of individual lives lost and ecosystems disrupted. The recently released Living Planet Report 2022 by the World Wildlife Fund reveals this devastating truth. It serves as a wake-up call, urging us to recognize the severity of the situation and the urgent need for action. This isn't just about the loss of numbers, it's about the silencing of an orchestra that has played for millennia. The natural world, with its myriad sounds and sights, is an integral part of our existence, and its loss would be immeasurable. It's about the unraveling of a tapestry woven with intricate connections, each thread vital to the health of our planet. Every species, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. This is a crisis that demands our attention, our empathy, and most importantly, our action. We must educate ourselves and others about the importance of biodiversity and the steps we can take to protect it. We cannot stand by as the very fabric of life on Earth unravels. The consequences of inaction are dire, not just for wildlife, but for humanity as well. Our survival is intricately linked to the health of our planet. We are called upon, now more than ever, to become guardians of the natural world, to use our voices and actions to protect the precious creatures that share our planet. Every effort, no matter how small, can make a difference. The time for complacency is over. We must support conservation initiatives, advocate for stronger environmental policies, and make sustainable choices in our daily lives. The time for action is now. Together, we can create a future where the natural world thrives once more, and the symphony of life continues to play for generations to come.
The causes of this dramatic decline are multifaceted, yet undeniably intertwined with human activities. Deforestation, driven by the insatiable demand for timber, agriculture, and urban sprawl, strips away vital habitats, leaving countless species homeless and vulnerable. Pollution, from toxic chemicals to plastic waste, poisons our air, water, and soil, infiltrating the very ecosystems that sustain life. Climate change, fueled by our reliance on fossil fuels, disrupts delicate balances, pushing species beyond their limits. The consequences of our actions reverberate through the interconnected web of life, leaving a trail of devastation in their wake. We have become a force of nature, but not a benevolent one. Our impact on the planet is undeniable, and the consequences of our choices are etched in the dwindling populations of wildlife around the globe. We must acknowledge our role in this crisis and take responsibility for the future we are shaping. The time has come to shift our perspective, to recognize that our well-being is inextricably linked to the well-being of all living creatures.
From the depths of the ocean, where vibrant coral reefs teem with life and schools of colorful fish dance in the currents, to the soaring heights of the sky, where birds glide effortlessly on the wind, and the vast expanse of forests brims with diverse wildlife. Animals enrich our lives in countless ways. They inspire us with their beauty, grace, and resilience. The regal lion, a symbol of strength and majesty, and the graceful deer, embodying gentleness and agility, both captivate our imaginations. They teach us about the intricate workings of nature and the interconnectedness of all living things. Bees, tirelessly pollinating flowers, and wolves, moving in harmony through the wilderness, demonstrate the delicate balance of ecosystems. They evoke within us a sense of wonder and awe, reminding us of the extraordinary planet we call home. The majestic mountain ranges and serene sunsets over the ocean are testaments to the Earth's breathtaking beauty. Our connection to animals runs deeper than just admiration. It is a bond forged through shared experiences and mutual respect. Whether it's feeding birds in a park or a child playing with a dog, these moments highlight our deep-seated relationship with the animal kingdom. Many cultures throughout history have recognized the spiritual significance of animals, viewing them as fellow travelers on this earth. Indigenous traditions often celebrate animals through dances and festivals, acknowledging their vital role in our shared existence. In the book of Genesis, it is written, "So God created mankind in his own image, and God blessed them." This ancient text underscores the profound connection between humans and the rest of creation. And God said to them, "Be fruitful and multiply, and fill the earth and subdue it, and have dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the birds of the heavens, and over every living thing that moves on the earth." This passage, often cited, speaks to a profound responsibility. This passage, often misinterpreted, speaks to a sacred responsibility, a stewardship entrusted to humanity. It calls us to nurture and protect the earth, to plant trees and clean beaches, ensuring a healthy environment for all. It is a call to care for the earth and all its inhabitants, to ensure their well-being for generations to come. Volunteers in wildlife sanctuaries and rangers protecting animals embody this call to action. It is a reminder that we are not separate from nature, but an integral part of its delicate balance. Our touch, our presence, and our actions all have a profound impact on the natural world. Our actions have consequences, not just for ourselves, but for all creatures that share this planet. Pollution and deforestation disrupt habitats and endanger countless species, highlighting the urgent need for responsible stewardship. We must act with compassion, recognizing the intrinsic value of all life and our responsibility to protect it. Conservationists releasing animals back into the wild and families enjoying nature reserves exemplify the harmony we strive to achieve with the natural world.
Amidst the disheartening statistics and the overwhelming scale of the challenge, there are glimmers of hope. These glimmers are not just fleeting moments, but are the seeds of a larger movement, a movement that is gaining momentum with each passing day. Stories of resilience, of communities coming together to protect their natural heritage, of dedicated individuals fighting tirelessly for the survival of endangered species. These stories are not just isolated incidents, but are part of a global tapestry of efforts aimed at preserving our planet's biodiversity. In the face of adversity, the human spirit shines through, fueled by a deep love for the natural world and a determination to create a better future. This determination is evident in the countless hours spent by volunteers, the innovative solutions developed by scientists, and the unwavering support from local communities. Conservation efforts, driven by scientific research, community involvement, and a shared commitment to change, are making a difference. These efforts are not just about saving individual species, but about restoring entire ecosystems, ensuring that future generations can enjoy the natural beauty and resources we often take for granted. From the reintroduction of wolves to Yellowstone National Park, restoring balance to the ecosystem, to the careful monitoring of their populations by dedicated park rangers, these initiatives highlight the intricate connections within nature. To the establishment of marine protected areas, safeguarding critical habitats for marine life, these actions are crucial in maintaining the delicate balance of our oceans. The vibrant coral reefs and thriving marine life are testaments to what can be achieved when we prioritize conservation. We are witnessing the power of collective action. Beach cleanups, environmental rallies, and habitat restoration projects are just a few examples of how communities are coming together to make a tangible difference. Every victory, no matter how small, serves as a beacon of hope, reminding us that change is possible. These victories are celebrated not just by those directly involved, but by everyone who understands the importance of preserving our natural world. These success stories demonstrate that we are not powerless in the face of this crisis. They show that with concerted effort, collaboration, and a shared vision, we can turn the tide and create a sustainable future. We have the knowledge, the tools, and the capacity to reverse the tide of extinction. The advancements in technology and science provide us with unprecedented opportunities to understand and protect our environment. What we need now is the will, the commitment, and the unwavering belief that a better future is possible. It is this belief that will drive us forward, inspiring more people to join the cause and ensuring that the seeds of hope we plant today will grow into a thriving, sustainable world for tomorrow.